Hey guys, it's Rainbow Sensei and welcome back to class today. And I'm going to be showing you how to create your own channel art on uh Canvas. I think that's what it's called. So anyways, first you go to custom and then you put in the number that is recommended for the channel art. So which is 20, 48, and then the height is 1152. Oop, 2. Then you put create a new design. Let me close this one out. Let me close that one out too. So then we just wait a little bit while it loads. Okay, come on. I don't have it all day for you, computer. Okay, so let's say for your template, let's say you're not good at making stuff, right? Like me. For my thumbnail, don't know if it will switch to this, but and my channel loads. My thumbnail is. I just changed my thumbnail, which is it's a little blurry, but you can see it. It's the Prism Guild. It's a Prism Crown Guild with my tags on it. So, anyways, let's go back to this, and let's see. We're gonna search up food. Yeah. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so let's say you want to be a food YouTuber. So you can upload the food you make on here. You don't have to use these templates on here, but I'm going to show you just for example. Actually, is this one a good one to example? I like the colorful one better actually. So let's delete that. Delete the whole thing. Delete the whole thing. Okay, that's fine. Delete. We're gonna choose this one because it's more colorful. So we're gonna leave it to. We're going to change the name. We're just gonna put my name on there. Rainbows. Food. Rainbow food. I didn't know what to call it, but we're just gonna call it Rainbow Food. Let's just say that's my YouTube channel name, Rainbow Food. That's a stupid name, but what? Okay. Sorry guys, my computer is being weird. I think I might have accidentally clicked on that. Sorry. Also guys, sorry for the not uploading and everything. My channel, I have been having a little bit of technical difficulties with the recording and stuff. So it's a little complicated. So if you want to, anyways, if you want to put some designs or stuff on here, always take the free ones and stuff because that's a good thing to do. So let's say this is your channel art. You want to make food and everything like that. Or if you don't, you can always search up something here, but make sure it's free because there's some stuff you do have to pay for. But I recommend using the free ones, and then you can change the color designs. Like you can change the color of this, can't you? I'm not gonna try it. I don't want to mess it up. But like, say for example, cats, then you can have a cat background if that's what you want. Let's see, what's a random one? Diamonds. Did I spell that right? See, then you can have this really great diamond background. It's all there. It's all good. Then you go to elements. Then you can search up pictures and graphs. Let's see, which one do I want to use? Do I want to use graphs, right? Let's look up food. So let's see. You want your channel art to be bright and colorful, just like this. Like this. And see right here, all this stuff has numbers and why did I say numbers? Money and stuff that you had to pay for. Sometimes it takes a while to find free stuff on here. I mean, if you want to pay for it, you can, but you don't have to. Like me, I just use the free stuff on here. So let's just go back up because I don't feel like scrolling through all that. Ooh, I kind of like that actually. So let's make it bright and vibrant. Let's find a color that isn't in here. Those are blueberries, right? Maybe we can make it purple. Yeah, like a light. No, a dark purple. Yeah, I actually like that. And then you can move this on to your thumbnail. You can add other just type of stuff in here. There's the text right here. You can do. You can scroll down, find one that speaks to you. Backgrounds. We already have a background here, so you don't have to do that. You can also make your thumbnails on here too, but I mean, you just have to figure out how to do that. I might do a thumbnail one in the back. I mean, next video. I can't talk today. You can upload stuff right here. You can find lines, like say if you find a, let's delete this. Okay, let's just delete the whole thing. Delete, delete, delete. Okay, let's say you find this colorful and bright galaxy online and you want to use it for your background. Actually, this one's really blurry. Let's go to this background first. And we'll use this. Yeah, there we go. So you can use that, and then let's see. You can use a template, but that might change it. Let me see if that changes it. Yeah, that does change it. Okay, never mind. But when you move, okay, move, delete group, delete the whole thing. Okay, delete. Okay, so we're gonna go back to backgrounds. We're gonna be using this, and then we're going to go to elements. We're gonna go to pictures. I'm using a lot of food examples because why not? So, like, say this. Wait, no, that's the best picture of somebody. Now, let's say you want this as your background. Trying to find some that. What's a good one? Ooh, this one right here. Let's say you want this as your background. And I suggest you do have a colorful background that really pops out to people and catches people's eyes. That's just me though. So you can blur the background just a little bit, not too much. Like, oh yeah, I forgot that turns blue when you blur it. Never mind. You can actually blur this a little tiny bit, like say right there, because it catches a little bit of the background. And then you take this, you zoom it up, and then you put fancy food. We're gonna just say that's the channel art. That's the channel art name. That's your YouTube channel name. I'm probably gonna make a thumbnail for this one. Okay, so then we're going to abbreviate it. We're going to make it red so it can actually pop out. Actually, let's make it a darker red. Yeah. Oof. Yeah, I like that. Don't mind me saying oof for some weird reason. I actually like that. I'm sorry, guys. I make weird thumbnails. I make weird stuff. But that's one way how to make a thumbnail. You can take a look and do it your own way. I know my way is kind of weird. So now we're going to work on a thumbnail. Because I want to make my own thumbnail, even though I said we're going to do that on the other thing. I can't talk today. I'm sorry. Okay. YouTube thumbnails. So I'm going to make a thumbnail for how to make thumbnails for this video. I'm gonna make it thumbnail right this video. I need to calm down today. So first thing I'm going